Hey Petty Fam, we're back with another video. We're doing queen cleaning. You heard it, spring cleaning. We talking about come clean with queen. Let's get into it. All right, girl, let's see. It's always interesting to see how women clean and, if that stuff you do or if you can learn something new. So hopefully she'll show us the technique this day.
Our home closing video, so if you guys haven't watched that, make sure you guys go watch it. We're very happy. We're very just ready for this whole new
congratulations on the new house. I'm so happy for them.
Journey. Today was a very chill day. Ooh, my arm hurt holding this camera. Today was a very chill day. I went and got a facial today, so my skin is probably inflamed. What I'm about to do right now is actually clean up my whole upstairs. My whole upstairs looks a mess. We've actually decluttered a lot of the toys from upstairs that the kids don't need, that we're gonna give to like the homeless shelter. We were gonna give it to Goodwill, but they just gonna resell it, and I just want kids to get it for free. So a lot of those toys are in bags and downstairs waiting at the door to leave. But my house is a mess. I remember one time I was vlogging and people was like, y'all need to clean your house. And I'm gonna be honest, we probably did need to clean our house, but it be so much going on and we be ripping and running and leaving, and it's just, it'd be hard sometimes to keep the house all the way clean all the time. So I'm about to clean right now. I really want to do a what's it called? I want to do one of those videos where it's like cleaning motivation. I don't know how that would look, but as y'all can see, my room is pretty junky right now. The board need to be erased. There's a huge pile of laundry over here for the boys' clothes, and the laundry room is very very much giving neglect. I have on CJ slippers, by the way. This room is also very not clean and tidy. The boys' bathroom is not clean at all, as y'all can see. This is our very much dirty upstairs. This is the playroom. Those are clean clothes I need to fold. This is the playroom that had more toys in it. A lot of those toys are gone. I know it doesn't look like it, but once y'all see all the toys we're giving away, you'll see. I need to try to get this off the wall, y'all. I know there's like a huge green booger, but it's not. It's actually slime that when Legend's kitchen was right here, it was slime on top of his kitchen, and it fell in the back and slid down the wall. We're not like dirty people. We're just like busy people. We're busy. And so we do have a cleaner that comes like every Friday, but since we're about to move soon, Clarence said there's no point in just keep having him come when the house is just gonna keep getting messed up, and which he's right. But let me show you all the stuff that we are giving away. Oh, look, y'all. Look at these pictures of Legend when he was like, these are cutouts from daycare. It's so funny. He was so chunky. Now he's so skinny. Look at the little fat boy. But as you can see, the kids dug into these bags and stuff. This is all the stuff that we are giving away, like including the little table and chairs that they had, Legend's kitchen set. We got a box of like, that little blue box is of all the books we're giving away. We're also giving away CJ's little thing. It's like, no, ain't nobody gonna want that. I'ma just throw that out. We don't need that. We also got pots and pans and stuff, and like certain dishes that we are giving away to the homeless shelter or the Goodwill. I don't know, but it's just like things that we don't use, we're giving them away. So that is what I'm gonna be doing tonight. And yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna vlog it all, but I'm just letting y'all know what's going on.
That's a lot of work. I'm glad she fast forwarding it, but I'm glad she, doing it, of course. But it's hard being a mom. You gotta do all this stuff by yourself, and the guys are somewhere doing something else. It's cool sometimes if you can do it as a family activity, but we all know sometimes it just comes down to one or two people. So, all right, let's finish watching her clean.
All I do is think about you all the time. Liking all your pictures, trying to make you mine. We've been talking heavy, you've been on my line. Talk is cheap, you better come and get me right. Book a flight, pull up on me, put your money where your mouth is. I don't want nobody who ain't really out here. You poppin', but you ain't the only one option.
I hope I don't get copywritten.
I just want you, so baby, won't you keep that same energy? I need that. If you want me,
Wow, don't you love that? I like that little it looked like a beanbag chair, that sofa. That's really nice. And I see those pillows she got in the little stool.
To feel that same energy that you've been giving me. I hope that talking and you know that we do.
I like frame beds too. Y'all like something on the side of like the bottom, or like is that alright with just the head part at the top?
Cause I want all of you. I hope that talking and you know that we do.
You think they're gonna get a different furniture for the new house? I mean, it's not like they just giving away dishes and stuff, so I'm assuming that they probably gonna have that somewhere. And I'm sure that new house probably got a lot more rooms and stuff. So they're probably gonna shop a little, keep a lot, you know. Good job, Queen. That looks nice.
Okay, y'all, so I never showed this part that I need to clean, which is obviously my very much messy bathroom. Yeah, don't be fooled though. That trash was not sitting there the whole time. I actually took that from my dresser, all that Starbucks stuff. I took it from my dresser and moved it out the way. But, and I know that my butt is obviously sticking out huge, but just please try not to look at it while I'm cleaning, because, yeah, it's just...
Because it's rude. It is rude. Don't be looking at her. She not posing for that. She trying to clean and we behind her. So watch what she doing, not what she doing.
It's getting bigger by the day. I just keep eating. I need to stop. But anywho, I'm just cleaning. Also, this is like my first... I've always wanted to do one of these videos. This is my first cleaning motivation video. I don't know if I'm doing it right. I've looked at other videos and it looks more aesthetically pleasing, but whatever. Just ride out with me until I get better at this. If y'all would like to see...
We just happy that you doing the video, girl. So we always want to see what's up with Queen, what she do today, all this good stuff. So if anybody was wondering what she doing, why you ain't seeing it, she was cleaning. She's cleaning and she getting ready to move to her new house.
More, let me know. Also, this beat, if y'all wondering where this song came from, it's actually an unreleased song way from like 2019 that I recorded, and I
don't copyright me, Queen.
Never released it. Yeah, so, and I almost got copyrighted by putting other music, so I just put this from my phone. It is really time for me to go sleep, but I did come here and vacuum a little bit earlier before I started cleaning my room. So this room is like, it's not looking too bad. CJ, his chore is to get that closet together, and he totally forgot. Oh, well, he got the bathroom together, y'all. He did do that.
Ooh, good job, CJ. It looks nice.
But there's still a little sock under there. Get the closet together. This room pretty much don't need anything, but it do need a sheet changing, so I'll be doing that soon. CJ, when you get your new room, like, what theme do you want it to be? Like, how do you want it to be designed?
Fortnite cards all over.
Fortnite cards all over. Also, y'all, I know I just bought those, but I'm selling those dressers too, because the way their new room is set up, like, I really want them to have taller dressers, like maybe just taller and skinnier, not fat and wide like that. Good job. You ready to go to bed, Legend?
Yes.
What you want to drink?
Milk.
Want some milk? Okay.
My friends, they say that I'm going insane, 'cause they don't comprehend the reasons why I'm feeling this way. They keep telling me you'll use me for play, so for now I'll play along, hoping that you'll prove wrong. Don't make a fool of me, but I don't usually do this. Don't wanna...
Good shot, Legend.
So now they want to play.
Claire, get out the way. She cleaning. Rude. At least fold the clothes that's on the floor. Y'all can make a game of that.
Basketball in here. Now the floor is vacuum.
Kobe! Wow. Call Clarence!
Y'all, the way that, hold on, Legend, baby. Legend. So y'all, the way that I usually separate, Legend's taking the camera away. Legend. Can you back that up?
You're trash, Jit.
I don't even know what a jit is, Jit.
All right. You push it closer, baby. You just move a little closer.
But you missed that.
So y'all, the way that I usually separate clothes is I'll do towels alone. Bed stuff alone, like bed sheets and blankets.
And we're
I do
gonna
alone.
trade colors.
And I do the towels colored in whites. And I wash the towels usually with like I don't use fabric softener. I use Arm & Hammer with the OxyClean in it because these boys' clothes need it. This pillow belongs like somewhere over there. I do the boys' clothes alone, but I always do theirs. I mean regular like whites.
Now you don't want milk?
Whites, darks, and lights. So all the whites will have a pile like somewhere over here. And I do me and Clarence's clothes separate, and I do it the same way. So our clothes, we wash them together, and Legend and CJ's clothes, I wash them together. And now Legend's taking out more toys, but it's okay.
I'll clean it up, Mommy.
Okay.
Aw, thanks, CJ. She getting frustrated.
Make it do some crazy things. Call me whatever you want and make it do crazy.
Mommy, let me cuss. High five. High five. Come on right here. High five. To the sky. Down low. Too slow. High five. To the sky. Down low. Too slow.
High five.
Do it to CJ. God.
High five to the sky. Down low.
Did you just fart?
Excuse me.
You need to clean your booty. He's hungry and he asked me, did I want something to eat?
I went down there. All we got is Spam.
I want to order, but he asked me, did I want, say it to the camera.
Spam sandwich. Spam egg sandwich.
A Spam and egg sandwich. But we
That's
don't
a
have
little
no bread.
struggle, man. I used to eat that a lot.
So it'll just be Spam and eggs?
And cheese. If we have.
We barely got cheese. I don't think we have cheese.
So
And the cheese we have, we can't use it really because
So
it's
we
the
don't
taco
have cheese or bread.
No, we don't have bread, cheese, or nothing. What?
Y'all, Uber could bring that for y'all. Y'all can get some groceries from.
I'm gonna wash her Ronaldo suit. Cause I'm wearing it tomorrow to the soccer game.
Oh, you going to a soccer game tomorrow? I forgot. Momo got him tickets to a soccer game tomorrow. He's excited.
Soccer game.
Why are you looking at me like that though?
So Daddy got us some Waffle House. He chose grits.
Cheesy eggs.
I have like the same thing, but only with potatoes. CJ, what you eating?
Some grits with sugar.
He eating grits with sugar. Do y'all eat y'all grits with sugar or salt and pepper? Which one? What tastes better to you?
Sugar.
You look like
I'm with CJ.
sugar. Alright, y'all, so I came back upstairs after I ate and I finished separating the boys' laundry. So this is their color clothes, y'all. So I'm gonna have to split this load in half. And then those are the light clothes over there. These are the whites. White towels, light towels, dark towels, white sheets. And these are like blankets. So I'm gonna put the boys' laundry in tonight and call it a night because it's 2 in the morning and I need to wake up and still be productive tomorrow. So, yeah, I'm gonna do that. And then tomorrow the goal is
Poor thing. She's exhausted.
to finish the whole upstairs and then do the downstairs. So y'all can get a little time lapse of me cleaning the kitchen. Yeah, and I think we gotta go to the new house tomorrow. Babe, what we gotta go to the new house again? That's what it's looking like. So we're just gonna call this. I'm gonna call this tonight after I put the clothes in the laundry, and then cause I'm so tired. Good night, y'all. Good morning, y'all. So we are back at it this morning. The goal today is to finish the laundry and then really downstairs, just clean downstairs, get the dishes together. All right, y'all. So Clarence is having a t-shirt folding contest. I told him that my method is faster than his method. So mine is backwards, his is forward. And we gonna get the same result.
No, we're gonna get the same result, but who's quicker?
Who's is quicker? Let's do it. One, two.
Wait, hold on. Wait, whoa, you already started. My hand's not even on the shirt. Hands up like this. Right, 3,
2.
That's a cute challenge. Who you think will win? I think somebody said that Queen used to work at a store and folding clothes or something. I don't know. Y'all let me know if that's right. MH, I need your help, girl.
Hands up. 3, 2, 1. I think I finished first.
All right, let them.
I need to take a tip of that because that look interesting. I would have never folded like that.
Look, look. Who's look better right now?
Mine.
No, it doesn't. You got stuff sticking out the side. This is like.
It's gonna stack up perfectly.
Yours will stack perfectly too. Watch.
Look how much bigger it is. You gotta remember, I got OCD.
No rush. I can tell you want a bad boy, better slow it down. Don't touch, don't touch, don't touch. You know it look good, but you just can't have it now. It's a treasure, baby. Treat it like it's special, baby. You gotta be good if you wanna get up in it. Like it's heaven, baby. Why you so anxious? Tell me why you so anxious. You can't even deny it. I can read your.
Alright, y'all. So we have to leave the house and go to the other house right now. I was gonna start on my dirty kitchen, my dirty living room. But when I get back, I will do that so that I could do a whole nother little downstairs cleaning motivation for y'all. But for now, we're going to take a little break and go to the house.
7 hours later.
I thought that we were going to be back home at the house way sooner. We've been...
I already knew. I don't know how far her old house is from her new house, and nor should anybody else know, by the way. That's their business. Don't look it up. Don't try to go over. You cannot go to their house. I'm sorry. I'm going to tell you because I'm your petty friend. So, no. You ain't welcome to dinner. You ain't welcome to lunch. You ain't coming to the house warming. I mean, send your gifts to the P.O. box or whatever. I don't know. But just don't go. But my point is that if you got some business to do, you talking about a new house, that's going to take a lot of time. So, yeah, I knew she wasn't going to do that. I appreciate her trying, though.
Our new house all day long. So the kitchen is still jacked up. But I'm just giving y'all an update. We've been eating McDonald's all day. So when I get back to the house, I will then get back to do what I'm supposed to do. Cleaning up laundry. Just got home and Legends cracking up over something.
Hooray! I did it!
Hey, Legend. I mean, he is so excited. I love seeing him excited like that.
Yeah.
Little giggle. Oh, goodness. The giggle. Legend. Tickling him. He's so cute.
Next up is a very much neglected kitchen, y'all. I actually kind of left it like this on purpose because I knew I was going to do this video. And I wanted it to be like, you know, something to clean up. And that's kids' Play-Doh on the floor. Y'all know how it is when you got kids. I need to throw that away. But, yeah, we about to get it all cleaned up, though. Don't worry. And I also left the breakfast. I actually had to leave. I didn't mean to leave that, but I had to leave. So I left that there. But we about to get it all clean, so just keep tuning in, y'all. Let me know in the comments if y'all like this.
I like it. Just don't copyright me with this music, girl.
Stuff. If you don't want to know more, tell me also. Be honest with me.
I'ma make your way for it. I'ma make your way.
Is this a song she got? I kind of like that one.
I'ma make your way for it.
Thank you. CJ got me flowers.
So sweet. Oh my gosh. He just give his mama flowers for no reason. That means he love you for real.
We take our time. Know you wanna save for more than just one night. Foreplay, switch it up, role play, green light, no breaks, overtime, no breaks. Let you take me way up, sweating off my makeup. We can take our time.
I don't think that's her. I think that's somebody else. Anyway, what kind of flowers are those?
Do this right, just gotta have patience. No, we don't have to rush, baby. Don't be so quick to get me naked. I can take you to places. I swear that your time won't be wasted. I promise.
That might be her. Y'all comment, let me know. Because she said she wasn't trying to get copywritten. So I'm imagining that's another one of her songs. I should know, but I don't know if I heard that one. At least I don't remember it. Maybe because it's sped up or something. I don't know. What's that thing that's on the stove thing? Right in front of the dishwasher? Is that like a roaster?
You that is worth waiting for. I'ma make you wait for it. I'ma make you wait for it. I'ma make you wait on it. I'ma make you wait for it. I'ma make you wait for it. I'ma make you wait for it. I'ma make you wait on it. I'ma make you wait for it. Here you are in front of me, begging me not to leave. But I packed my bags already. I've packed my bags already.
Do y'all like washing dishes? Do y'all have like a designated dishwasher in your house? Is it you?
Oh, you know that it's real when I give you back the ring and everything else you bought for
I
me.
need that economy
It's
style.
way too late, I'm ready. Why you ain't have that same energy when I was blowing up your phone, trying to get you home? You left me all
I
alone.
see they got like a great theme.
Though I always stay, now you can't believe I'm gone, baby. Why you ain't have that same energy when you were out there in the club, giving away my love? You know that you
I like
were
also how she got like a
wrong.
whole cabinet full of spice.
Usually I'm weak, but now I'm strong enough to walk out the door. I gave it 2 weeks notice like 2 weeks ago, but you never noticed it until I'm gone. No, I don't trust you and I don't trust these hoes. Had to quit on the love, I can't do it no more. I gave it 2 weeks notice. Oh, I gave it 2 weeks notice. Oh, baby boy, you need a pass. Think they free to see, I'll let you go, no need to ask up. You could tell your boys that they can have you since you passed up. Coming home to me, boy, you take all of my energy. love what we building between me and you. Ain't no better feeling than when it's just us two. I don't even wanna think about ever seeing someone else. Cause every day you make me feel great. And no one ever put it down the way you do. And yes, it's more than physical. You say on your P's and Q's, make me proud to say I choose. I would hate to have a lose. And they could say I'm tripping, I know I ain't crazy. Cause I'm more than just infatuated. This is more than just infatuation. Never thought I'd say it, guess I gotta face it. I'm in love with you, know that I ain't crazy. Cause I'm more than just infatuated. This is more than just infatuation. Never thought I'd say it, guess I gotta face it. I'm in love with you. Had a lot of boys, but you're the only man, baby. Waking up to you is like a glimpse of heaven. The way you keep me protected, you got my heart invested. Don't gotta ask no questions. Always kept it real from the jump. At your part, you ain't never try to waste my time. Tell me what's on your mind. I wanna do you right. Meet you halfway.
Alright, y'all, so here's a little update. So I definitely rolled up the rug here in the living room. Definitely didn't finish all the laundry yet. The boys' laundry is done, and I'm onto the towels, and then I'm gonna do the sheets. And then I'm going to finish me and Clarence's laundry because I just feel like ours is the easiest for some reason. I don't know why, but I like to get all the laundry done before ours. Also, by the way, my merch is out now for Let's Talk About It. So make sure y'all go and click the link in my Instagram bio. I'm about to cook dinner. Kids have school tomorrow, so I gotta hurry up and do that so I can get them ready. Clarence is about to stream. What else is going on? Oh, what I'm making steak because this is Clarence's request. He wanted garlic butter steak, mashed potatoes, his own personal pan of macaroni and cheese. This is why I can never lose weight, because I know I'm gonna eat some. I have to taste test it, like I have to. But yeah, so and green beans. And this time I'm gonna do the green beans like how I did with HelloFresh. I'm gonna bake them in the pan because those were really good. And that's just an update, y'all. So the toys are still back here. I gave some away, not all, but we definitely missed the window for the homeless shelter. So I'm gonna try again on Tuesday because that's the next time it's open. Because we didn't, nothing ever really goes as planned. But okay, y'all, I'm about to do that, and then I'll show y'all just a little bit of that. Maybe nothing, maybe just after the food is done. I also just did a little grocery shopping, y'all, just a little. And I'm so mad because I thought I had green beans here, but they are expired. So now I am waiting for Instacart to bring me some green beans. I hate when that happens. Okay, y'all, so I forgot to vlog it, so it's messed up now, but I scooped some out for Clarence already. But this is my personal pan mac and cheese. I usually make a big pan, but as y'all can see, look at my hand, look at the pan. So it's like a small little pan of mac and cheese. And I think I did very good on it. Green beans are all ate up. Actually, I'll show y'all Clarence's plate. So this is how it looks right now. He said he's gonna come back up and to put in the microwave because he's streaming. He don't want to eat in front of his stream. But this is what I made for him. It looks like a lot. He probably not gonna eat this all, but I'm about to make me a plate, y'all, and enjoy my meal. I just had to show you guys.
Get your grub on, sis. You earned it.
Guys, the plate. Just look at that. Look at that. That looks so good. All right, y'all. So we are catching Clarence red-handed cleaning. Cook dinner. How'd you enjoy dinner, honey bun?
It was good. I enjoyed it.
He enjoyed it. It's exactly what he asked for. He usually don't have like a preference, but today he wanted exactly mac and cheese, mashed potatoes, steak, and me, I just added in the green beans.
Like a Sunday dinner kind of thing. Kind of vibe,
And now it is like, y'all, it's
Sunday dinner standards.
2 in the morning. He just had his second plate, and he told me to not do the dishes because he was trying to do it. So he looked real.
See, that's nice. She did the cooking and he do the cleaning.
I'll tell you,
What?
you be looking real sexy doing the dishes, like, Look at all them tabs.
It's been a long ass day.
Yeah, it's been a long couple of days actually.
Yeah, past 3 days.
I need to go shower so bad. My feet hurt. I was gonna finish the whole house yesterday, but like I said, going to the other house definitely threw me off. And Clarence went back today, but I didn't go with him today because I still need to get stuff done in the house. But we just going to end this vlog out. I don't want to continue it too long. Into tomorrow, it's already been 2 days. We still got so many more things to do. So, you want to say anything, honey bun?
Me too. Owning a crib ain't no joke. Say that.
Yeah, it's definitely not for the weak.
There's so many things. You got association fees and everything.
It's so much that you gotta do, like when it's actually your house. And it's on us. Like it's not on nobody. You can't call no landlord, no nothing. Everything is on us, so that's crazy. But toodles, y'all, good night. I'm so freaking tired. Kids are in bed. Kids got school. Gotta wake up at 6 in the morning. It's 2. So y'all know what that means.
6 in the morning.
Sleep. Good night, guys.
Good night, y'all.
Good night, y'all. Tucking y'all in, petty fam. See you later. Bye, y'all. Like, comment, subscribe. Share if you care. Click the bell to become part of the Noto Squad.